Perfect, 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 perfect.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is wash day, you guys, and I haven't washed my hair for 3 weeks. I know it's pretty gross, and I'm about to do a mask and a deep conditioning and all that good stuff. But before I start, I'm just gonna show you guys what my hair is looking like right now. It's pretty disgusting. It's very dry and there's flakes falling all over my lap at this point. I'm just gonna turn so you guys can see. There's no moisture whatsoever. So, and the mask I'll be using today is an avocado mask, and in this mask I have 2 egg yolks. I only use egg yolks on my hair because the egg white is just gonna make my hair very dry, and it's already dry, so I only use the yolks. I have an olive oil. You can use coconut oil or whatever oil you prefer, but my hair loves olive oil, so I use about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of honey. Honey is just gonna add more moisture or add back the moisture to my hair, and of course the avocado. So I'm gonna mix all of these ingredients together and I'll be back to apply the mask. So for this step, you're gonna need a spray bottle with water, of course, and whatever you use to detangle your hair. I'm gonna use this comb, and I'm gonna just part my hair in sections, detangle, and apply the mask. So guys, the mask has been sitting on my hair for the past 40 minutes. Right now I'm about to jump in the shower and wash and condition my hair. And to do that, I'll be using the Shea Moisture Intensive Hydration Shampoo and Conditioner. I'm also going to do a deep conditioning in the shower, but I'll show you in a while what I'm going to be using for that. And yes, let me show you guys what this looks like. So this is what I use to deep condition my hair. Right now I'm showing you 3 capsules of peppermint oil, and I add a little bit of hot water just to melt the capsules. And now I'm gonna mix that with the Mielle Rosemary Mint Mask. I also added the Shea Moisture conditioner that I showed you guys earlier. And this is what I'm gonna use to deep condition my hair while under the shower. So guys, it's the next day and I'm back with the results. I didn't film yesterday. I was just too tired, so I just left it for today. Right now I have a second day wash and go going on, and I feel like my hair looks very dry on camera, but I can assure you it's really not dry. I'm gonna turn so you guys can see. It's very bouncy. I did try to stretch it a little bit with a blow dryer and I got a lot of frizz, so maybe that's why it looks kind of dry on camera. I don't know. But yes, the avocado mask was a definite thumbs up. My hair felt very soft after I washed it out. So as you guys saw, I did try the Mielle Organics. Is it a Mielle Organics or just Mielle? Mielle Strengthening Mask. And this is the second time that I'm using this, and I feel like it does nothing for my hair. My hair felt dry and stripped just like the first time, so this is a product that I won't be purchasing again. But otherwise than that, I was able to revive it with the styling products that I use for this wash and go. And yeah guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you ever tried the avocado mask or if you will be trying it. And if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video.